types of data lookup tools are there? Ajay Sharma. See, by using UI policy also, we can make field mandatory, read only and visible. By using dictionary also, we can make mandatory, read only and default value, everything. Okay, but here some differences there. Okay, we will find out some differences. And data policy also, you can learn about the data policy. But data policy visible option is not there. Okay, so only mandatory read only is there. Okay, let's see about those things. Okay, so first I will open our HTML within synthesis. Okay, now so now I will make field as a mandatory, like I will make this field as a mobile number as a mandatory. Okay, and email is read only, and the incident department should be hide, means invisible. This is my requirement. And here on condition is there. What is the condition? When the state should be Andhra Pradesh, then only this field as a mandatory, and this field as a read only, and this field should be hide. Whenever the state should be Andhra Pradesh only, I need this attribute should be work. Okay, this type of scenarios will go for the UI policy. And main here difference is, suppose this is a parent table. Okay, I use the dictionary. I can say some mandatory or read only thing. It is applicable to child table as well. But here in the UI policy will be applicable only for the particular table only. It is not inherited to the other child tables. Okay, you should be work on the particular parent table. It is not inherited to other child tables. Okay. So how can we create the UI policies? Type left navigation as the UI policies. Next, click as a new. Okay, just you can give the particular table name here. Health insurance. Okay, or otherwise, so open the form. Okay, right click, go to configure, and go to UI policies. Now click continue. See, it is directly pick up the table name. Okay, and it will show the, so whenever you can go for the particular form and you can go for configure the UI policies and the list of UI policies. So what are the UI policies running on this table? It will show the list of UI policies as well. Okay. Next. So now here we need to get description. So what is description? So when state is AP, then mobile number is mandatory, comma, email is read only, and insurance department is visible. Sorry. We can go for the visible, not hide. Let's see. Okay. So now you can save it. It's a mandatory field. So it's a mandatory, guys. You need to enter short description. Why this UI policy needs to, we are creating must and should, you need to enter the details here. Okay. Now I didn't give any condition right now. Now come down. Okay. Go to UI policy actions. Here UI policy related actions is there. UI policy actions is there. I'm going with UI policy actions. You can select the field name. So what are the field name? First should be mobile number, right? Select the mobile number. Mandatory to submit it. Okay. And second field should be so just mandatory true. And second should be, you can select the email. Okay, so email should be read only, right? So just email should be true. Submit it. And insurance department is visible true. So visible true means the field will be visible. Visible false with the field should be hide. Okay. Just you need to select the field name and you can make as a true, that's it. Okay. Mandatory true means the field is a mandatory. Already the field is available in the mandatory. We need to remove the mandatory means just you can make as a false. I'm refreshing the form. See, here mobile number is mandatory. It's a read only and this is visible. Okay. But what is my requirement here? State is Telangana. My requirement is only state is for Andhra Pradesh. Then only these things should be work. So now I'm going this UI policy. I'm giving the state here. State is, just you can give the filter condition. State is Andhra Pradesh. Refresh it. See? Now the mobile number is not mandatory, email is not a read only, and this field should be hide because of why means when the field is should be visible when the state is Andhra Pradesh, then only the field should be visible inside department. Okay, come on, select here. See, this field is visible, mandatory, sorry, read only and mandatory. Okay. So I added one Andhra Pradesh. I need Andhra Pradesh and as well as Tamil Nadu as well. I need two conditions. State is Andhra Pradesh and Tamil Nadu. And here see, we are able to select only one option. Not the two options at a time we are unable to select. Only the drop down values we can select only one option. So one option means we can go with or. And means both the conditions need to satisfy. Or means anyone, or either Andhra Pradesh or Tamil Nadu. Okay. Or instead of or, if you want to give means you can select is one of also related to or only. So select one and press the control, you can select another one. That is okay. And I need and suppose I'm adding one more condition. Active is true. Active field is there. That need I make as a true. True means enable. See, I need to satisfy two conditions. Select state is one of, you can select either Andhra Pradesh or Tamil Nadu. And must and should active is true. These two conditions will be satisfied means then only the attributes will be work. Okay, see, I will go with some Tamil Nadu. Fine. See, must and should they give and active is true. See, then only the field is mandatory and read only and this field is visible. Okay, so this is the process of UI policy. Clear, guys? Any doubts?
No, Pandit, clear.
It's very simple, guys, but it's very important. It's very easy, but very important. And one more thing. See, I told you that the UI policy will be applicable only for this table because of, see here, I give the table name, particular table name here. It is not inherited. Okay, let's check the cross check ones. So HDFC, these are the child tables, right? Life insurance and insurance policy child tables. Let's cross check it. Tamil Nadu. See here, nothing will become. It should be applicable only for this table only. Because we got a table name here. If you want these things will be inherited to child table means come down here. Inherit option is there. Just you can enable this inherit option. Now this UI policy will be inherited to other child tables as well. Okay. So maximum we cannot use this inherit. Okay. So this is the use case of UI policy. In the UI policy, script also is there. UI policy will be work on the client side, right? So here we can write the client side scripting. Okay. So I will tell the whenever you enter into the scripting, I will tell the scripting scenarios as well. Okay.
Pandu,
Yes.
if you inherit, it will apply to all child tables, or we can
Yes.
customize.
No. It is applied to all child tables.
Okay.
So here script also is there. So if you want script means you can write the script. Okay. This is the process of UI policy. Okay. Understand, guys, UI policy?
Yes.
Yes, Pandu.
Okay. Now, one second, guys. Data policies now. Okay. Data policy is also simple, guys. Okay. So type lifting as data policies. Okay, so same scenario you can apply. It's like health insurance. Okay, so my requirement is for data policy. Okay, so here state I selected Tamil Nadu. The state should be Karnataka. Then the start date should be mandatory. Okay, start date should be mandatory, and you can give means calculation should be read only. Okay, so I will go with here. If you want to give short description, you can give it short description. Okay, then state is Karnataka. Then start date is mandatory, and calculation read only. Suppose can give some condition here. State is Karnataka. Okay, so just you can select the. So what are the fields? Start date and start date as a mandate. See here, visible option is not there. Mandatory true. That's it. Submit it. If you want read only means you can select the read only as well. True. That's it. Okay. Now here you can see. Okay. Now I'm refreshing the form. Let's select the Karnataka. See mandatory and read only. And you have one doubt here. Why this we are going for the data policy? Already same thing we can use the UI policy as well, right? Same scenario, we can apply the UI policy as well. Same condition, same thing. Why we are going for the data policies? Here, slight difference is there. I will show you. Okay. And create any one of the ticket. Okay. See in the list view. So I bring up some of the fields. Mobile number is mandatory field, so I'm bringing up. Okay. And start date. Okay. Now, in the list of records is there. Okay. I will edit the things in the list view only. Okay. I will edit things in the list view only. See. So I will change the state. In the list view only. State to Tamil Nadu. Whenever Tamil Nadu means mobile number should be mandatory, right? Yeah, mobile number is mandatory. In the list view, I change the state to Tamil Nadu. Okay. That's from Chennai. Locate. See, the record is saved here. Okay. When we open a new record or existing record, okay, so I will change the state from Tamil Nadu. Oh, here active also true is there, right? Tamil Nadu and active is true. I'm submitting the record. See, the record is not allowing. Must and should we need to fill the mandatory. But the same thing you can apply here in the list view. Okay, state I change to Tamil Nadu, and you can give active is true as well. Let's see. Active false is there. I'm enabling the active true as well. See, I didn't get any error. The records are saving here. But whenever you can go here, and I give the conditions, state is Tamil Nadu, active is true. When I open the form, okay, whenever I open the form, I give the conditions. I'm submitting the record is not allowing to submit the record. Must not you enter the mandatory details. But in the list view, see here, it is not allowing. I didn't get any pop-up message. See, the record is saved because of UI policy will be work on the client level. Client means in the form level only. Okay, it should be work on the form level. So that's why we mentioned the UI policies are alternative client scripts. So UI policy runs on the client side. Means in the client is nothing but the front end browser, form level. Okay, now go with data policy. So what is my data policy requirement? So state is Karnataka. Then the start date should be mandatory. Karnataka and see the records are not saved. The following fields are mandatory start date. Means this one list view cannot be work and form view cannot be work. See, must and should we need to enter the mandatory here. See, must and should we need to enter the mandatory. Then only the value will be saved. See, the value is not saved. It is going for the previous value only. Suppose here already value is there. Second record. You can go with second record. Value is there. I'm changing from Andhra Pradesh to Karnataka. See, now the value is set because we entered the mandatory detail here already previously. Okay, this is the slight difference of the UI policy data policy. UI policy in the list view, UI policy can be save the records, but in the data policies cannot save the records. Any mandatory is there, must and should we need to fill the mandatory. Okay, this is the slight difference of UI policy and data policies. So, any doubts, guys? No.
So in the real life scenario, which policy is most commonly used? Is it UI policy or data policy, or they both just depends?
95% we can use the UI policy only.
Okay.
Okay. Yeah. Okay. Now write down this is the concept of UI policy, data policy, guys. And I'm giving the task to you. Okay. So please do the task, but tomorrow I will ask the people. Next class I will ask the people. So randomly I will check the task. Okay. So write down the task. In incident form, this is the UI policy task only. In incident form, whenever the category is hardware or software, when the category is hardware or software, when the category is hardware or software, service is mandatory, means the service failed. Service is mandatory. The service is mandatory, and state is read only. State is read only. State is read only. When the category is hardware or software, service field is mandatory, state field is read only, and actual start and end date should be hide, means invisible. Actual start and end dates, these two fields should be invisible. These two fields should be invisible.
Panda, access start
And end dates. See, actual start, actual end date. Actual start and actual end date should be invisible, means hide.
Pandu, but in my PDI, actual start and actual end, these two fields are not there.
Not that means you will go here form layout and bring up the fields in the form. Go to form layout, configure, go to form layout. Okay. Suppose if the fields are not available in the form, means definitely it is in database. Here available section is there. Here it is available. So you can select and bring up here. That's it.
Okay.
Add it here, selector. So definitely it is not available in the form. You need to bring up in the form.
Okay.
But it is there in the database. Just you need to go for form layout and you can select it there. That's it. Understand?
Yes, Pandu.
Yeah, access start and access ended should be hide. Okay. So by using UI policy, this one you can do it. Okay. And please open your laptops to next class. So because sorry, open your instance, not as the laptops. So most of all the people are connected through laptop or mobile.
Laptop.
Class. I will check the randomly. Okay, this task. Just first some 2 to 3 minutes, just you can check the task. That is the concept of UI policy, and please do this practice very well, guys. Very simple, I think. I hope you understand very well. Okay, it's a not as too much complicated. It's a very simple, very easy. and you can practice it and get back to me. And if you have any doubt means you can ask me. See, whenever you are practicing, definitely you will get the doubts means you can note down the doubts and ask in the class. Okay, the class will be extended some 10 to 15 minutes, no issues. But you need to clear the doubts. That is our main agenda. You need to understand the class and you need to clear the doubts. The class will be extended next half an hour. I am fine with that one.
In I mean, every field has a default value in Servicenow.
No, not as every field is a default value. That is, we need to select that one.
Okay. Manually, we are giving default value.
Yes, yes.
Okay.
So we need to give the default value based on the client requirement.
Okay, Pandu. Thank you, Pandu.
Thank you. Okay. So this is yes.
I'm Bharti.
Yeah, Bharti.
In groups concept, in parent field is there, no?
Yeah.
If I open that record in the new window, here I'm not getting that is what role option to assign the role. Role, group members, groups, manage subscriptions.
Yeah. No. Yeah. So whenever not only parent group. So just you are asking that creating the new group, right?
I created one group in that parent.
Uh,
You gave some network, no?
yeah.
If I open that network group, I'm not assigning, I can't able to
No.
assign that role option.
Definitely it should be there. 1 second.
I'm not getting that.
1 second. See here. Groups. Okay. So here pay network is there.
Yeah.
Okay. Click on icon. Open record. See, definitely can able to see here.
Just this form will ends with update and delete. Remaining I'm not getting. That roles, group members and all.
Pandu, I think she has to change the view to default view.
Maybe.
Which
Even I
Yeah,
had,
view is there,
when I
right?
had yeah. So
Yeah.
even I had the same problem. I have changed my
Yeah.
view to
You
default view.
can. You
then I
need to
could
change the
be able to
default
see.
view.
Yes, yes, yes.
Okay, okay, sir.
Okay. Yeah. Yeah. Put the heading as an import set.
What's the heading?
Import set. Import set. It is considered as to import the data. It is considered as to import the data. It is considered as to import the data from source table to the target table. From source table to target table. From source table to target table. That is external table to the Servicenow table. That is external table to the Servicenow table. It is considered as to import the data from source table to the target table. That is external table to the Servicenow table. Next, transform map, important interview question. Transform map. Transform map is a field displaying the data. Transform map is a field displaying the data. Transform map is a field displaying the data. From external table to the transform as a field displaying the data from an external table to the external table to the field displaying the data to the Servicenow table. Coalesce, COALSCE. Coalesce. Important, very important interview question. Definitely this interview will ask this question. Without this question, so interview will also not there. That much important. Coalesce.
Is it called a table?
COALSCE. I wrote the spelling, I sent in the chat.
Yeah, but is there a table after it or is it just coalesce?
No, coalesce, just
Okay.
another equation. Okay. Coalesce is one of the field. So what is the use case of that field? We can discuss. Okay. Coalesce is a unique value. 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 If we find coalesce, update the existing record. If you find coalesce, update the existing record. If we cannot find coalesce, it will create a new record. If we find coalesce, it will update the existing record. Coalesce is a unique field. If we find coalesce, it will update the existing record. If we cannot find coalesce, If we cannot find a college, create a new record. College is unique field. If we find a college, it will update the existing record. If we cannot find a college, create a new record. Okay. So yes,
How you would choose between a UI policy or data policy? Does it come with the requirement?
yeah, based on the requirement, most of us can go with the UI policy. Suppose client will be asked, the user cannot able to change the record in the list view as well.
Okay.
Suppose he will change means get the pop-up message. Please give a manager like that. That's scenario you can go for the data policy. But most of all, you can go for the UI policies only.
Okay. Thanks.
Okay. Yep. So these are definitely important, guys. So tomorrow we'll go with the practically. Okay. So any doubts with that? Not tomorrow. So tomorrow I'm taking leave. So I have some work. So tomorrow I'm on leave. We will meet on Friday.